simple joys. If tomorrow looks just like today, I reckon I'll be okay. Life's easy in the backwoods, barefoot ground and honest goods, cold beer cold and fire bright, laughter carrying through the night. If heaven's got a front porch, it looks a lot like